It was a sound that shouldn't exist. A frequency so low, so powerful, it traveled across entire oceans. In 1997, an underwater microphone picked it up. Scientists called it the bloop. For years, they couldn't explain it. Some said it was a giant creature. Others, a secret military experiment. But the truth? It's far more unsettling. And it's not the only one. There are more sounds. More anomalies. And they're happening right now. This is the story of the deep sea's greatest secret. A place where light never reaches. Where pressure would crush a human instantly. Yet something is down there. Something that has been communicating for years. And we're just beginning to listen. In 2016, a team of researchers deployed hydrophones into the Pacific Ocean's deepest trench. They expected to hear whale calls. Maybe the rumble of distant earthquakes. Instead, they recorded something else. A sound that repeated at regular intervals. A pattern. Not random. Intelligent. But here's where it gets terrifying. When they analyzed the frequency, they realized it was similar to a human heartbeat. A slow, rhythmic pulse, emanating from a depth of over 10,000 meters. The question is, what has a heart that big? And why is it beating? Some scientists believe it could be a massive unknown species. A creature larger than any known animal. But that idea defies our understanding of biology. Others suggest it's geological. But rocks don't pulse with a heartbeat. There's another theory. One that's kept quiet. It involves the possibility of intelligent life in the abyss. Not aliens from space, but from a realm we've barely explored. A civilization that has evolved in the darkness, far from our world. And they're aware of us. In 2018, a similar sound was detected in the Atlantic. It was different, but the pattern was clear. A call. A response. As if two entities were communicating across the globe. We've only explored 5% of our oceans. The rest is a frontier of mystery. What else is out there? And what happens when we finally reach the bottom? The fear isn't what we found. It's what we haven't. And now, as we listen deeper, we realize, we are not alone. The ocean is not silent. It's alive. And it's watching. This is just the beginning. The cycle is accelerating. The patterns are becoming more frequent. Something is changing. And the only way to find out is to go deeper. But are we ready for what we'll find? Some mysteries are meant to remain unsolved. But this one is knocking at our door. And soon, we'll have no choice but to answer.